taking this out in here. So the eye's going to fit okay. Got this taken out. So now when we put our eye in, it's not going to fall through. And that's where we want it to be. So we're in pretty good shape there. It sticks out a little bit. That's what we wanted. So you can see how we've taken it out in the back end here. All this out in here so the eye will fit in. We'll just smooth this down a little bit more. And then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.